July. So happy 4th of July. This week I'm going to be making a new project. We're going to be doing a wooden American flag. So it's going to have a secret compartment, open with an RFID card and lock, sort of like the ones you see on hotel rooms, the doors. So it's going to be a fun project. So we don't know how it's going to go. I ordered that stuff, the RFID card stuff, and that's going to be here Sunday. So it may be a few days before we get to the project. So, but we'll see how it goes. We're going to be using our CNC machine to engrave the stars and any other work we'd like to do on it. And I think it's going to be a real fun project. I'm real looking forward to this one. We've been kind of working in our room and stuff, so it's going to be mounted to our wall, and I think it's going to be a cool thing to do. If y'all ever have any ideas of projects you want me to do in the future, let me know in the comments, and I will see what I can do about that. So, I hope y'all enjoy.